Today, part of our housekeeping routine is proper ventilation. Ventilating a space means letting fresh air in and pushing stale air out. This helps remove odors, moisture, and airborne germs, making the environment more comfortable. Dusting is essential for maintaining a clean and healthy environment. Dust can build up quickly on surfaces like shelves, furniture, electronics, and decorations. It doesn't just look untidy, it can also trigger allergies and affect air quality. We use a clean, dry, or slightly damp cloth to remove dust from top to bottom, making sure to reach corners like hard-to-see areas. Regular dusting keeps the space looking fresh and helps prevent the buildup of dirt. Sweeping is one of the most basic ways to keep your home or space clean. It involves using a broom to move dust, dirt, crumbs, and other small debris into one area so it can be collected and thrown away. You usually sweep floors made of tile, wood, vinyl, or concrete. Sweeping isn't just about making things look nice, it helps prevent dust from spreading, reduces allergens, and makes your home safer by removing things you could slip or trip on. The next step is making the bed. It means straightening your sheets, spreading the blanket, and flapping the pillows so your bed looks neat and tidy. It's a simple habit that makes your room look cleaner and helps you start the day organized. Cleaning the bathroom means washing and disinfecting the toilet, sink, shower, and floor to remove dirt and germs. It helps to keep the area clean, fresh, and safe for everyone to use. Replenishing means refilling or restoring something that has been used or taken so it returns to its original or full amount.